Hello, James at Mendeley here. I'm going to show you how to install the web importer into Chrome. First, let's just find where the installation is. Let's go to Mendeley import. Just Google that and just click on that. And there it is. So it says using Chrome. Let's just install this in Chrome using the extension. So here is add to Chrome, add the extension, and then you'll see it right here. So when you click on it, you'll find that it doesn't work, and that's because it's within the Chrome store. You could get it to work when you go search for something and say Science Direct, which I have access to. So here it is, and it shows up. So there's also another method of installing it, and that's as a bookmarklet. Even though it says using Safari or Internet Explorer, this bookmarklet works for all. So let's just put that here, and there it is. So let's go back here and then let's cancel that and just click on this and it appears. So you could either install as an extension or this. I hope you enjoyed the tool.